Bookie, bookie.
Don't chew on me, Nugget. Oh, there we go. That feels a lot more stable. I really hope she doesn't poo on me.
No.
You should have brought some spare water in case you did.
Right?
Should have brought some spare water in case you did.
Oh, she's happy, I think.
What's she doing? She's looking around.
She's looking around. I wonder if she remember
Maybe.
the episode.
Well, the thing is that when we took her before, she was in her box most of the time, so she didn't really see whereabouts she was. I hope the other Moorhen isn't there.